Hey everyone. So I am in the middle of a forest with Chansey. It is 10 degrees. The sun is out for a brief few hours. And I, like yesterday, did not want to come out. I had all I could do to get out. And what I found works for me is the more people I'm accountable to in life, the better my chances are of meeting my goals. And so I have spiritual accountability buddies. I have a group membership for women, Visions to Profits, where we have weekly focus forward calls, and they always ask me my goals. And I'm being coached right now through my master coaching certification program. And I shared with the girl who's coaching me at Solid Ice in here what my goals were. And so there's kind of no excuse for me not to be out here, except right now my hand is frozen on the phone. So the more accountability you can add to your life, the better chances of reaching those big hefty goals or little hefty goals. They're all the same, right? They all help us to keep moving forward. Speaking of having accountability, if you are a woman or you know of a woman who is looking to create a 2021 plan with accountability built in, they'll want to join my Forge Your Path workshop, which is coming up. And I'll pop the link. Where will I pop the link? In the description of this YouTube video so that you can sign up. And guess what? It's only $47. People have paid me $900 for this workshop. I've condensed it into 90 minutes. It's loaded, action-packed. They'll leave with their success path for 2021 or first quarter 2021. My hand is frozen solid right now to the phone. Wishing you well, and hope you're able to stay accountable to keep moving forward today. All right, bye.